In today's video, we learn about single inheritance. We dive deep into this topic. Single inheritance is the most common type of inheritance, and we learn about it, but not with the name of single inheritance. Let's move to the computer screen and explore single inheritance. So let's get started. So in this class, we learning about single inheritance in Python. So single inheritance is a type of inheritance where a class inherits properties and behaviors from a single parent class. This is the simplest and most common form of inheritance syntax. The syntax for inheritance in Python is straightforward and easy to understand. To create a new class that inherits from a parent class, simply specify the parent class in the class definition inside the parenthesis. This is like this. Here you can see it. This is one example. This is one syntax. Example. Let's consider a simple example of single inheritance in Python. And Python consider a class named animal that contains the attributes and behavior that are common to all animals. Like here's one example, I will paste it. And now if we want to create and now here you can see the sound of the animate my animal. This is one example I will be tell you. And now if we want to create a new class for a specific type of animal such as a dog, and we can create a new class named dog that inherits from the animal class. So this is one example. It is coming like that. Like first I will be copied this example and paste it, and this example and paste it. And when I will be pasted this two examples, so the here we can go, and whenever I will be go, and now here we can coming like that. And now here the dog class inherits all the attributes and behaviors of the animal class, including the init method and the make sound method. Additionally, the dog class has its own init method that has a new attribute for the breed of the dog, and it also overrides the make sound method to specify the sound that a dog makes. Single inheritance is a powerful tool in Python that allow you to create a new class based on existing class. It allow you to reuse code, extend it to fit your needs, and make it easier to manage complex systems. Understanding single inheritance is an important step in becoming proficient in object-oriented programming in Python. So here's one example. So here I will be doing like bark sound made by animal, like bark. Mean the dog say bark, like bark, bark, bark. The dog said like that, but here's come like bark. This sound is what is dog sound? Bark. Here you can see it. You can say bark, whine, whimper, howl, huff, or growl, yelp, and yip. Like the the dog is barking. Like you have seen many times, the dog is barking. And so this is this land. You will be changed like there you can see the animal is dog, dog, and dog herman. What is that? And now here you will be change it to roar. And here I will be said like it is not important to change like roar. Here's coming roar. Like what is the roar sound? What is lion sound? The lion sound is roar. Like it can roar. You say poor grunts, growls, hums, meows, and roars. Like you have seen roar. Okay, and now it is very easy, and like you have many times the lion is roared. It is very simple. And now in today's class we have to tell you single inheritance. Single inheritance are very easy and print like sound made up by the animal when the animal name is lion. And when you'll be run it, so it's coming like roar, the sound made by the animal name is lion, roar. And the animal, here we can go and I'll buy this, and then we will be run it. So here's in the next line the animal is lion is coming like that, the animal name is lion. So in the next line it is coming, because I will be put like n, the sound made by lion, the lion name is lion, roar. It is very easy. And the quick quiz is implement a cat class by using the animal class, add some method specified to cat. And now you will be also specified to cat or dog or elephant or many or dolphin or crocodile or anything. So single inheritance in Python I will tell you in this video. So please like this video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. And if you not access my playlist and bookmark it, so please subscribe my channel and subscribe my channel and all the notification bell. And please go to the description and go to the description and go to the description and follow me on my Twitter, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. In 3 social medias links I will be give you in description. So go and follow me. And now I will meet you in next class of Python, or I doesn't know what class I will be upload tomorrow. I will be upload a speaking class or Python class. I doesn't know. Oh, okay. So now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python. So for today, goodbye.